Hello guys, in today's video we are going to demonstrate another full stack project, that is the learning management system. In this learning management system I have implemented the two personas, one is for the user and the other for the admin. The admin add the courses and monitor the courses, whereas the user enroll to that courses and gain the knowledge. First let's see the implementation of our project. These are the different files in our project. One is the test and then the config, and there are some other files in our project. First, let's see the backend logic of our project. In app.js, we have the backend logic. Firstly, I have imported the necessary modules like the Express and body person and Express session, and this is used to maintain the session of the user, and also path and decrypt, which is used to hash the passport, which is used for the security purpose. And I am using the Postgres.js for the authentication purpose, and I am also using the SQL, which is used for the CRUD operations in the PostgreSQL or any other databases. And I am using the Express in the app variable, and I am setting the view engine as the EJS and including all the static files through the public folder. And I have initialized the middleware for the session, and we are using the SQL to initialize. Sorry, we are using this sequence method to initialize our sequence by using the database name and the username and the password. And we are using the host as a local host and the dialect as a Postgres. And we are defining the different models in our project by using this sequence or define method. In our project, we have different models like user with the required column names, and also the courses model and course content model and the enrollment model, and these are used for the creation of the tables in our Postgres. And also I have written some association among those tables in order to get the data from one database to another database. And I have initialized the passport.js, and here I have implemented the logic for the login to our website. And I am using the passport.serial, okay, sorry, passport.serialize user, which is used to store the user object in the session, and we use the passport.deserialize user, which is the reverse process of the serialize user. And I have created two functions. One is the is authenticated, and another one is the is admin. Is authenticated is used to check whether the user is authenticated or not, and is admin is used to check whether the admin is authenticated or not. And I have written some of the routes, and this is the root route. And I have different routes like sign up. In sign up, I have implemented the logic where we are converting the normal password into hashed password by using the decrypt module, and also checking whether the user is already exist in the database or not. And after the successfully creating, okay, sorry, if there is no user present already in the database, then we are creating user in our database, and after that we are redirecting the user to the login page. And I have implemented the logic for the login. In login route, we are using the password to authenticate the user, and I have the logout route, which handles the logout from the account, and the different accounts, different routes like profile, also the edit profile, and some other routes like add post to add a post to our website, and also the slash course or course ID. This is used to render the course content of our different courses, and also this route is used to handle the enrollment of the user to particular courses. We are using the is authenticated function, which is protected from the unwanted access, and this route is protected by using the is authenticated. And also the dashboard route, which it is the dashboard for the user basically, and we are using the is authenticated for secure access to the route. and we are including the courses and the enrollment courses, and in this user dashboard we are required to show the different enrolled courses and the different courses available in our website. And in the admin dashboard we are getting all the different courses that are available, and that's it for the backend logic. And we are also exporting our app, and we use this app in this server.js file, and we are importing the app, and we are creating the server by using the app.listen. And that's it. That is for the backend logic. And there are different folders like views. In views folder we have the different pages for login, sign up, and the dashboard of the user and the admin and some other files. And in the public file we have the static files like the JS and the CSS and some other assets like images. And in this models folder, when you run the server file, then and we are using the SQL CLI module to create the model, and these are the models we have created. And also we use the SQL CLI for the migrations of our models. When we migrate, then it will automatically add it to our migration folder. And in this config file, we have three environments. One is for development, and another is testing, and another is the production. And we have written some tests, unit tests for our program, for our application. These are the authentication testing and the ad post testing. In authentication testing, we have implemented the testing of our how the users are login to our application. I have taken different tests for the sign up process and the login process. That's it. And also and the test for the adding the course. Wait, okay, this is the another test file where we are testing whether the course is correctly adding to the admin page or not. Sorry, we are adding the course to our website or not. In order to run the test, we need to run the command called npm test in our terminal. Okay, sorry, the server is already running. Let me terminate it. Now first test our project by typing npm test. We are writing this command because we have already defined the script in the package.json. Here you can see I already defined the script. In test, we are using the just module to test our application. Now, if you run the npm test, then you can see here the tests are running. Wait a second. You can see here the tests are running, and we are using the different database for the testing purpose. We are, we are we we define that in our config file, and it is loading this config file. Now it is running on the test environment. Here you can see that the tests are running. Let's wait. And it is running the on the test file. Here you can see that all tests are passed successfully. Now after that, let me show you the demonstration of our project, how it works. Mm, Type npm start, and there you go. This is the sign up page of our project. Let me add some details. And we are logging. Firstly, we are logging through user and click on the sign up. Then we can redirect to the login page and view the same credentials. You can see we are successfully logged into our website, and in our test we have also implemented whether the user is already present in our database or not. You can check that by let me hide sorry, and this is the dashboard of the user, and there is some other navigation to the personal info where you can edit the user details like by clicking the on edit button. You can edit by any sorry, no, I can say I can edit like this, and when you click on the save changes, it will edit and we can edit like that. And let me do notes. Okay, and when you click on the courses, then you can see the different courses available. If you are interested in any particular courses, you can click on the enroll button to enroll into the course. Here you can see that the enroll in below the enroll courses, you can see the different enrolled courses. And in order to access those courses, you need to click on the courses. And this page is under construction only. It is in the development stage only. Let me go back, and you click on the logout, then it successfully redirect to the login page. And let's create another admin user. You click on this admin button, you click on sign up, and when you log in for the same credentials, click on this admin button and like you are successfully redirect to the admin dashboard, and this is the admin dashboard. And the same like the previous one, we were having the personal info and the courses and the logout. In the in dashboard, we have in admin dashboard we have the available courses. And if the admin wants to add the new course, then he can click on the new add course. You click on the title, let's say um, course name and some description of, and here we enter the content of our course. Here course and of the course like that. And is there any video URL? You can paste it here. Click on the add course. Wait a second. You can see that the course is added, and also we are placing the name of the admin who are adding the courses. And once we log out, then we successfully redirect to the login page again. And also I have implemented that no other user. And also I would like to show that I have implemented the security to particular routes like dash. When you are log out and we want to access that route, then we are redirect to the login page because the dashboard is protected. So that's it.